Hello everyone, my name is Leon Allen and I go to Mission Valley Elementary School. And today I'm going to talk about my project which I call the MoonBox. The MoonBox is basically like a machinery, some songs and music for people to listen to. Why this might be necessary is if you're going on a long journey, let's say on a car, and then your phone doesn't have internet, or your phone doesn't have charge at all, you will get bored. So what can you do? I mean, sure, you can play board games and stuff, but what if you want to listen to music? You can use my project. My project basically, it just uses batteries, so I'm pretty sure you will have lots of batteries on your journey. So you could use it on your entire journey. That's basically my MoonBox, and that is my presentation. Thank you for listening.